to the National Election Commission. It is a good coincidence because, of course, elections are the foundation of democracy, and democracy is the foundation of peace. So indirectly, to sign this on this day is symbolically important. In this occasion, I would just like to thank those that worked on the preparation of this agreement. Certainly, I would like to mention the colleagues in the Ministry of Finance, the colleague in the National Election Commission, and the European delegation here, and in Brussels, the EU Commission in Brussels, as well as the UNDP colleagues. And now, this project will help to strengthen the already much increased credibility and capacity of the National Election Commission. I would really want to applaud the efforts of reform and enhanced capacity and credibility that are in front of all of us, that NEC has put in place in recent years, as demonstrated by the very last successful partial senatorial elections. We look with confidence and will stand ready, thanks to the generosity of the European Union, to support you in